Dhanurdasa. He was a wrestler. He was working for the king, and he used to be the security guard whenever the Perumal is taken out for procession. So he used to be in the front and checking everything. He had a beautiful wife. Tiruvarangam had a festive look because of Garuda Seva. People are waiting to have darshan of Garuda Seva. So some people were singing songs, some were chanting slokas. So everywhere the houses are decorated, the streets are well decorated. Dhanurdasar was walking on the road with his wife. He was holding umbrella for her. He kept looking at her eyes and walking. So people were looking at him. Dhanurdasar did not notice anything what was going around him. He kept looking at his wife's eyes only. The people were making fun and they were laughing at him. At that time, Ramanuja was coming back from his routine of taking bath in the river, and he found people were making fun of him. And he inquired about him. And he told his disciples that he wanted to meet him. So the disciples told Dhanurdasa to come to Ramanuja's place that evening. He agreed and he came to Ramanuja's place. He prostrated him and the conversation started. Ramanuja looked at Dhanurdasar and he felt this man looked so innocent. So he asked him, I saw you when people were making fun of you. You didn't notice of it. Don't you feel that brings disgrace to you? Then Dhanurdasar said, I used to hold umbrella for my wife wherever I go with her, and her eyes are so beautiful. I love her eyes, so I don't want her eyes to be affected by sunlight. So I carry umbrella for her. Then Ramanuja asked him, if I show you more beautiful eyes, what will you do? Shall I take you? Will you come with me? He said, yes, I'll come with you. Then Ramanuja took him to Tiruvarangan temple. Ramanuja and Dhanurdasan were standing in front of Tiruvarangan. Just outside the Sannadhi, the Garbhagraha. And Ramanuja prayed to Perumal, please show your Kamala Chengan, show your beautiful eyes to him. Perumal rolled his beautiful eyes and looked at Dhanurdasan. Dhanurdasan could not control him. He was not able to withstand that beautiful eyes, so he fell unconscious for few seconds. Then it was like Aranganai kanda kangal mattondrai kaanave. He felt that this eyes, the eyes which have seen Arangan's eyes, cannot see anything else. Then immediately he surrendered to Ramanuja and he said, no, I don't want anything in my life other than seeing God. I want to serve you. I want to serve God. Will stay with you. I don't want to work anymore outside, because he was working for the king. He said, no, I will work for you. I will stay with you. Then Ramanuja agreed. Then Ramanuja gave him the name Pillai Varangavilli Dasan. Then his wife's original name was Hemambal. Now she is called Ponnachi. So Pillai Varangavalli Dasan and Ponnachi became the disciples of Ramanuja. Ramanuja used to go to river every day to take bath. When he goes to river, he keeps his hand on Mudaliyandan's shoulders. When he comes back from river, that is after the bath, he keeps his hand on Pillai Varangavilli Dasan's shoulders. This was not liked by other disciples, so they were jealous. Ramanuja noticed all this and he wanted to teach them lesson. So one day he tore the undergarment of all disciples and kept them for their view. They all found their clothes were in pieces. Then they blamed each other and they scolded using they were very wrong words and they were abusing everyone. And Ramanuja watched that and he decided to teach them a lesson. That night he sent his disciples to Pillai Urangavallidasan's house, and Pillai Urangavallidasan was retained by Ramanuja with him. So in his absence, the disciples were asked to go to his house, and his wife Ponnachi was sleeping. He instructed his disciples to steal the jewels from his wife. They did as per Ramanuja's instructions, and Ponnachi was actually sleeping, and she found somebody entering and they were trying to take jewels from her. And she thought, okay, let me help them. They seem to be Andanas, so let me help them. That is, it seemed to be Brahmins. So let me not disturb them. Let them take. Maybe they need this very badly. So after they removed the jewels from one side, she turned the other side because she wanted them to feel comfortable to take the jewels from her. But they thought that this lady woke up and they went off. They came back to Ramanuja and informed him about it. Then Ramanuja sent Urangavallidasan home and asked his disciples to follow him. When Urangavallidasan reached home, Ponnachi was telling him about what all happened. Then the husband said, you should have allowed them, you should not have turned this side, you should have allowed them to take the entire jewels. They would have had some emergency. Maybe they needed the money very badly. That is why they came to steal. Why didn't you allow them to take it? Maybe you had that feeling of possession of jewels. So Ponnachi felt so bad because she wanted them to take because she knew that these people were in need. So both of them felt the same way. Both of them had that helping tendency. So this conversation was heard by the disciples and they went back to Ramanuja and told him about this. Then Ramanuja told them, okay, go, you all go to sleep. Tomorrow morning you all assemble in the hall, we will talk. Then the next day they all finished their morning routine and they all assembled. Then Ramanuja explained, you found your clothes were in pieces and you abused each other very badly. What made you do that? Because you are all educated and you thought everyone knows everything. So that pride made you talk like that. So what is the difference? You are all educated. Are you all refined? Then he asked, how did Pillai Urangavallidasan and Ponnachi behave? They lost their jewels, but how did they react? So he explained, who has got good high qualities and who has got bad qualities. So only the qualities decide the man, whether he is good or bad, high or low, not the birth. So he made it very clear that the man is or woman is considered high or low only by the way he or she behaves, or only by the qualities, not by birth. So the disciples felt very bad.